Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to make songs transition on the Spotify. So if you want to enjoy this feature, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Spotify. Once you will search for it, simply you have to update your Spotify mobile application from it. Once you will do it, after that you have to open your Spotify and log into your account. Okay, on the right top you will see a setting bar. Just click on it and now scroll up. Here you will see crossfade option. So right now, as you can see, it's turned off. Simply adjust the time, like crossfade between 6 second, which is basically a transition time. So you can select according to your choice. So this is the way to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.